Confused about Upwork Connects?
Hi, I'm Angela. I'm a top-rated seller on the Upwork platform. In this tutorial for beginners, we're going to discuss Connects. If you're confused about when to spend them, when to buy them, and how to really use them, then let's dive into this video. Connects are tokens that you use to apply for a job on Upwork. The required number of Connects varies depending on the gig. Small jobs usually cost 1 or 2 Connects, and medium to large jobs will run around 4 to 6 Connects. Once you run out of Connects, you have to buy more to be able to apply for more jobs. You can find out how many Connects you have by going to your homepage. They should be displayed at the bottom right corner of the sidebar. Now, once your Connects run out, you will not be able to submit proposals for that month. You can either wait for free Connects you will receive the next month, or you can buy Connects using a billing method linked to your Upwork account. So yes, you can wait for your free Connects, but I certainly do not recommend waiting. When you're building a voiceover business, you certainly don't want something as small as a few Connects holding you back from winning that next project. So if you need Connects, by all means, purchase them. Hopefully it won't be long before you're earning Connects. How do you earn Connects, you ask? Registering for the first time, you'll receive 40 Connects. That'll get you started. When you complete the Upwork readiness test, you receive another 40 Connects. So there's 80 just right off the bat. When you submit a proposal to a client, win an interview, and reply, you'll get a bonus of 10 Connects. You can earn up to 50 Connects every 7 days. Complete an Upwork skill certification, and you get another bonus set of Connects. Earn a badge. When you earn a badge, you do qualify for another bonus Connects. So there are several different ways to earn free Connects. And honestly, once you establish a client base, your daily auditioning goes down as the return clients come back. The referrals come in, and your badge level increases. Clients will find you more than you searching for them. Now you understand the basics of how to purchase and earn Connects. If you'd like to dive a little deeper, learn more ways to earn Connects and how to really spend them wisely to get your audition noticed, when to spend them and when not to spend them, check out this step-by-step video course with downloadable scripts and templates to guide you through the process of becoming a top-rated seller on Upwork. You can find the link in the description. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming tips and tricks for making more money on Upwork.